The Indian government has temporarily blocked Telegram across the country amid concerns of NEET re-examinations related to fraud and paper leak rumors. The restrictions came just days before the NEET 2026 re-examination scheduled from June 21st and will remain in place until June 22nd. According to the Ministry of Education and the National Testing Agency (NTA), the move was taken after authorities found that organized cheating networks that have been allegedly using Telegram as a platform to spread fake papers, misinformation, and even the fraud claims, which are linked to the NEET re-exam. The center invoked Section 69A of the Information Technology Act, a provision that allows the government to restrict online platforms in the interest of national integrity and public interest. Officials described the Telegram block as a temporary and last resort measure after previous attempts to remove misleading content failed to deliver the results. Authorities have also directed Telegram to disable its messages editing feature in India until June 30. The NTA said the feature had been misused in the past to create fabricated evidence of the paper leak by editing the older messages and making it appear the examination at the same day with the questions had been shared before the test. The action follows a week of controversy surrounding NEET 2026. Earlier, the original NEET examination was cancelled after the allegations of paper leak that has been suppressed across the India, as we have seen many people. Since then, several Telegram channels have allegedly been claiming to sell leaked re-examination papers, prompting the complaints, and cybercrime has been seen in the investigation. However, the NTA has repeatedly stated that no fresh paper leak has been confirmed and has urged students not to believe unverified claims circulating online. The government says the temporary restriction is aimed at protecting the integrity of the examination and preventing panic among the lakhs of students and especially the medical aspirants who are appearing for the retest on June 21st. Officials have advised the candidate to rely only on the official NTA announcements for the exam-related updates. Now, this decision has sparked a debate with some activists raising concerns about the impact on freedom of speech and the inconvenience caused to the regular Telegram users over there. The government, however, maintains that the restriction is limited in a duration and necessary to ensure a fair examination this time as the entire fair examination process. Now, the Telegram is expected to remain blocked in India until June 22nd, while restrictions on its messages editing feature are set to continue until June 30. Further action will be depend on the situation surrounding the NEET re-examination on ongoing investigation into the exam-related fraud. As we have seen in this entire NEET re-examination, before that taking a NEET re-examination, many people were being suspected in this entire process where we have seen the paper leak has been taken from many states as well as the cities from Pune, Maharashtra, Jaipur, Rajasthan and many other places. Now we have seen this has been taken a decision for the safety as well as for the students and making an integrity for the entire examination. As we have seen, the Telegram will be blocked till June 22nd, but the further related to the new updates in the messages and the further updates will be taken till June 30. Now we have to see now as they have been blocking the Telegram because last time also paper got leaked from the Telegram official channels. Now the Telegram channels does not do the same thing or it happens again. Will there be a fair integrity for the students who are appearing the re-examination on June 21st? Especially the medical aspirants in India are not just 100 or 200, there are lakh of students who gonna re-exam, who are gonna be reappear the re-exam on 21st of June. With camera person Ajay, I am Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.